Welcome back to the garage. Today we've got pizza, salad and a Power Commander 5. First pizza, then installation. I'm coming. Let's do this. Okay, today Power Commander 5. Before we start, as I always say in my videos, I am not a mechanic. If you're looking for instructions to follow them to do your own build, this maybe is the wrong video. I'm doing this for the first time ever. The reason I'm doing these videos is to show other people that it's not that hard to build a rally bike. So if I can do it, you can do it, and let's start, huh? Power Commander 5. This one, I got this one from Rottweiler. It came custom mapped for my setup, and in the box there is Power Commander with all the cables attached. One little dongle, I have no idea what this is for, I have to check this later. Two Velcro straps, you can glue them on to mount your Power Commander. An alcohol pad to clean the area where you want to glue the Velcro pads on. Some rubber sealings to close the open pins and connectors. USB cable, my dyno mapping, registration card, stickers, of course. Have to decide what to do with all those stickers, huh? Maybe when I finish the build I will put them all on my garage card, tool card, what's the name? This is super straightforward. And the first time I got this one out of the box, I was like, oh my god, all those cables. I have no idea what to do with this. But if you have a closer look, really, there's just the Power Commander, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 cables here. And all these 4 cables, simply unplug the original cable. Oh, sorry. You simply unplug the original cable from the motorcycle, plug it in here, and use this one where you took your plug off. So I think this can't be that hard, huh? Let's go to the bike and install it. Okay, here we go. The instructions tell us to remove the 2 panels and the seat and the airbox, and yeah. I will skip this part, obviously, because there is no tail. I will go the other route. I will start from the connectors and just leave the Power Commander up here in this area, and later when the new Rally kit will be installed, I will look for a nice place to mount it. So, figure C, unplug the throttle position sensor. Maybe it's clever. First, put the Power Commander here. From here we can start. We are looking for the throttle position sensor and the crank position sensor. And those are both located here. One is the bigger one up here and one is the white one. There's a zip tie. Adios. Okay. There's number 1. The white one. The white one is the crank position sensor, I guess. Well, always careful with those. Okay, so we have both of those. We're looking for the other ones from the Power Commander. Carefully routing down the cables and connectors. So, I'll take the 2 old ones, plug them in. Number 1, ready. Then, it's not that much clearance. It's my fault because I've installed the crank, valve, breathing, filter here. It's a bit in the way. Yeah, this way. The other one too. And then simply put the cable over here. Yeah, looks good. Ah, there it is. There it goes. Okay. And same procedure again. You see, you have the same one on the Power Commander and the corresponding one here. So we plug the Power Commander into the throttle position sensor. Plug. And the other end. You have to check nice places and organize this with zip ties, but first of all I will do the connection. Secure the wires away from any moving parts, of course, and route the remaining Power Commander 5 harness to the right side of the motorcycle. I already have everything up here. And now I've cheated a little bit, because I've read this before, and here it says somewhere that this is the last part. We're looking for the stock connector for the bike's O2 sensor. This is a 4-pin connector on the left side. Plug the O2 optimizer into the stock wiring harness. The stock O2 sensor will no longer be connected to anything and can be removed if desired. Oh, this looks like... that's what the dongle is for, I guess. I'm always afraid to pull on the cables. Never pull on the cables. Because if you have a loose connection... If you pull out the cable, you're even lucky. If you just have a loose connections and a few hundred kilometers afterwards you will run into trouble, then it's nearly impossible to find the mistake out on the road. Wow, this one is tough. Okay, this one is tough. I'll get back to you in a second. I've got him, and this is really stupid. But there's no need to put like 3 hooks in a small connector like this. Impossible to get out. It can never fall off. One is more than enough. But nope, some evil mind created a plug with 3 hooks. So anyways, this goes in here and we're fine. Okay, here on the right side we have the inner and outer coil sticks. There's white and the same one more on the inside in black. And we've got to remove both of them. Number 2. And then we've got this one end with the 4 connectors. This down here. Maybe it's clever to connect it on the inside. There's one pair with green and one pair with blue. One with the green wires, which is this one, goes into the black connector, and the one with the blue wires, this one, goes into the white connector. And the other one goes on the coil stick from here, and the white one we connected with the one with the blue wire, and the other end back to the coil stick. Cluck. Okay, and the last thing to do so the Power Commander can do his job is to unplug the fuel injector. And same procedure.
Every year, James.
Plug here, and the other one goes down the fuel injector, and We've successfully installed a Power Commander 5. Seriously, that's it. Now all that's left to do, and this will take a bit more time, I will not capture this on camera, is just do some nice and clean wiring and use zip ties to get the cables organized and taking care that they don't vibrate around and get loose from time to time or scratch on a metal surface and break. But yeah, I will do this. And then there's one final thing for me to do, but I will not do this today. Here on the Power Commander there's the possibility to add more cables to attach different sensors. For me there's only one thing that's important, and this is the switch for the different mappings I've got on the Power Commander. This is straightforward. I really just add one cable here, and I have to mount the switch in the new cockpit, but there is no cockpit and I don't want to have the cable hanging around here loosely, so I will do this in the end when I build the cockpit. So that's it for today. If you are interested in building the cockpit and building the rest and how to attach the rally kit later, next video will be about the steering with the Scott's dampener and the BRP vibration dampener. If you like stuff like this and want to follow, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, this means a lot to me. Leave a dislike if you didn't like the video. And for today, that's it. Have a nice day, folks, and see you next time.